The Umkhonto party is facing deepening internal strife following the sudden resignation of Dr. Enos Chauke, co-founder and head of the party's medics program. Chauke, a prominent figure in the Umkhonto party's community health outrage, confirmed his departure in an exclusive interview with the IOL News, citing growing delusionment and a toxic internal culture. Chauke, who spearheaded nationwide health screening initiatives under the Umkhonto party's banner, said he could no longer align himself with an organization he believes has strayed from its founding principles, and said after reflecting on the organization's internal issues, I realized that this has become a personal project for certain individuals close to the echelons of power. Many volunteers, including myself, have invested personal resources into our work, yet information about the misuse of funds and internal conflicts has come to light, which is demoralizing. His decision to resign follows a controversial shake-up within the party, including the demotion of Floyd Shibambo from Secretary General to an ordinary member. Shibambo was sanctioned after making an unauthorized visit to self-exiled preacher Prophet Shifat Bushiri in Malawi. His demotion sparked speculation about his future political ambitions, with sources indicating plans to launch a new movement under the name Africa Maibuye. Chauke said the announcement of Shibambo's Maibuye consultative process was the final straw, and said we could no longer identify with the organization's current direction. After consulting with those I lead, I decided to participate in this process, believing it might help us understand whether South Africa needs a new political entity. Despite his exit, Chauke vowed that the Umkhonto Party Medics program will continue operating independently, underscoring its commitment to public service, and said even amid political differences, our commitment to providing essential services remain unwavering. Chauke's resignation adds to a growing storm within the Umkhonto Party, which now finds itself embroiled in a very public and increasingly bitter feud between Shibambo and party spokesperson Dlamulo Ndlela. Shibambo ignited controversy during a televised interview on June 23, where he accused Ndlela of substance abuse, alleging that the spokesperson was always on drugs and high on alcohol. The remarks triggered a swift legal response. Ndlela's lawyers, Ndowu INC attorneys, issued a letter of demand on June 24, insisting that Shibambo retract his comments within 48 hours and issue a formal apology. The letter labeled the accusations as false, defamatory, and damaging, and warned of legal action should Shibambo fail to comply. Adding fuel to the fire, Shibambo further accused Ndlela of deceiving former President Jacob Zuma and taking pride in it, claims that have further fractured an already fragile party structure. In a brief response, Ndlela said that the party leadership will deliberate on Shibambo's conduct and determine the necessary disciplinary measure. The Umkhonto party, which rose to prominence under the symbolic leadership of Jacob Zuma, now finds itself in a precarious position. What began as a promising platform for social justice and black empowerment has descended into factionalism, scandal, and internal warfare. As Dr. Chauke and other key figures walk away and legal battles loom, questions are mounting about the party's future and whether it can recover from its internal implosion. For now, the Umkhonto party remains a political house divided, grappling with the very issues it once vowed to stand against. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.